welcome to my channel. I am Nidhi. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing what I received in my GlamEgo for the month of July. So it's been a very long time since I have ordered GlamEgo because I never found GlamEgo to be interesting to order. So yeah, this month I saw some of the sneak peeks and I am really excited to see what all I have received. So let's get started. So this is how this month's GlamEgo box looks like, and it has a chart over here how people judge us. They judge us on what type of cloth we wear, and the chart is written which they are not supposed to judge us. And over here GlamEgo is written. So this month's theme is hashtag don't judge, and when I remove all the product they have written India's #1 beauty subscription box. This is a change in packaging for me, at least, because it's been quite a long time I have ordered from GlamEgo. First they used to give that cardboard shaped box, but now they have just improved their packaging and I really like the packaging. Then I have this info card. So this time GlamEgo has collaborated with Zaira Foundation. It's a foundation against abuse and violation for women, and all the details are there. So this is quite a nice initiative, because internet is like so much boom nowadays that someone will see this and this can help someone. Then the first product I have received is this red wine sleeping face gel hydrating repair formula. So this product is worth ₹900 and it's a perfect skin supplement, deep skin repair for monsoon, removes patches, then even outs complexion and makes dull skin glow. If you guys don't know, I am a fan of Nature's Co product, and I have really reviewed so many Nature's Co products on my Instagram page. So the expiry date and manufacturing date is already written, and it's made exclusively for the GlamEgo. And yeah, this is the first product and I'm really excited trying this product on. Then the second product is this mascara by a brand Ellen Blue. So this is made in Germany. It's an intense black mascara. It's high volume waterproof mascara, and for rainy season mascara is like waterproof mascara is like must. And if we don't wear waterproof mascara, someone will see us and really get afraid of us. So this product is worth ₹599 Indian rupees. This is long lasting and high volume mascara. So this is the second product which I have received. So this time they have like a clean monsoon skincare, and they have taken care of all the product which our skin needs in monsoon. Then the third product is this Bio Bloom body mist. It's for all skin type. It's Valley of Flowers, Orchid and Marigold. It's 50 ml of the product, and the body mist is worth ₹450, and the date of manufacture is written over here, and the ingredients are also written over here. Do not spray it on your eyes, and expiry before is also written, like best before 12 months. And it is a launch product, perfect for, like, it's launched in GlamEgo Box, so it's a launch product, and it's perfect for monsoon blues. It's alcohol free, refreshing fragrance and chemical free. Let me smell how it smells like. So the smell is also very nice, and yeah, I'm looking forward to use this. And in rainy season, like, we need body mist also. So yeah, that's the third product. And then the fourth product is this saffron radiant face cream. So this is again by a brand Nature's Co. This is worth ₹550, and saffrons are very good for our skin, and it's exclusively made for GlamEgo. And this cream keeps infection away, perfect moisturizer for monsoon, protects from UV rays. So yeah, I am excited to try this on also. And then the last product is a mud hair spa kit. So it's a 3-step therapy for a silky, shiny and healthy hair, ideal for unisex use, and it is by brand Sisa, and it's worth ₹99, so it's pocket friendly also. So it smoothens frizzy hair, because in rainy season most of people their hair get frizzy, and it has goodness of mud for nourishment and quick spa at home. So let's see. So we have over here is a leaflet. So step 1, step 2 and step 3. So step 1 is a shampoo, then hair mask and hair serum, and yeah, all the detailed information on how to use and everything is written over here in this leaflet. And then we have like 3 sachets, actually 4 sachets we have. So this is hair shampoo, mud hair spa. So this first is this hair shampoo, and the second is this deep nourishing mud hair mask. So they have provided us 2 hair masks, I don't know why. And the third is this hair serum. So I am really excited to try this on. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is all which I have received in this month's box. So I have received a leaflet also. So it's Monsoon Skin Care, and the detailed information about the product and their YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram handle is also written over here. And so as the theme of the box says monsoon skincare, it has already included everything. It has done justice to what it has said. Like we have something for our hair, for our body, like body mist is there, for our face saffron cream is there, then the red wine sleeping mask. I'm really excited to try this, and a makeup product which is a mascara which is also needed. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, that means a lot. Stay tuned for more. Have a nice day. Bye.